Welcome to Punch, the pro-grade trading app built for serious traders and scalpers, all at just ₹1 brokerage. No conditions, no limits, no compromises. Trade directly from charts with one-tap execution. Switch to multi-chart trading for lightning-fast scalping in options, stocks, or multi-time frame analysis. Harness advanced execution tools for precision and risk management. Enjoy 0.01 second order execution speed with a 99.999% order success rate. All this power and reliability for just ₹1 per order. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. As soon as you open Punch, आप सीधे अपने चार्ट पे लैंड करेंगे. Now the magic is in the y-axis. All these strikes you see listed are actually tradable contracts. किसी भी strike पे tap करिए, you'll see both call and put premiums. Tap on either one and you'll get the order form. Simply click punch to buy. अभी उसी strike पे you'll immediately see your position P&L. नीचे देखिए, your positions and orders are also visible. Tap to activate and manage your entire position from this mini view itself. जब हो गया, tap again to hide. Exit करना भी एकदम simple है. Just tap X here, confirm sell order and done. Everything you need, premiums, charts, P&L, positions, orders, सब एक ही view में. You can even plot multiple strikes on your spot chart to track contracts together. Tap to plot, tap again to hide. No need for watchlist jugglery. सीधा चार्ट से ही ट्रेड करो. Now let's check out my personal favorite, split view. Perfect for option scalping and multi-time frame analysis. Just tap on split view and देखो. Punch splits your screen into two completely independent charts that you can interact with simultaneously. Need to hide an indicator? Tap on the name. Tap to hide, simple. मैं generally trade करता हूँ with my index on top and call put chart at the bottom. We have Nifty here. Let's change the bottom to Nifty put chart. Tap search and you'll see all Nifty call premiums with price and OI details. Put toggle पे tap करके put premiums देख सकते हैं. Tap any contract to switch the bottom chart. अब trade करते हैं. Resize the option chart, tap the T button, select market order, overnight, set lots to 3 and punch to buy. With an active position, scalping के लिए stop loss and target बहुत ज़रूरी है. Tap here. You can also set a trailing stop loss on punch. Activate the trail on switch, set your trailing points, add your stop loss and target values, and tap set protection. Your target and stop loss are now set, and as the market moves in your direction, your stop loss will move up with the trailing stop loss feature. Perfect for scalpers. Analyze, trade, and set protection all from the chart itself. Split view सिर्फ scalping के लिए नहीं है. Multi-time frame analysis के लिए भी perfect है. When trading Nifty intraday, I analyze trends in both 3 minutes and 15-minute time frames. With both charts ready, I can track price action simultaneously and trade directly from here. Now let's exit split view and check out Punch's powerful chart features. Notice how instantly these charts load. Bilkul lag free. Switch to Bank Nifty and change to the 3-minute chart. And tap the FX menu for analysis tools. Punch charts come supercharged with 50 plus indicators, all customizable. Let's add a couple of SMAs and stock RSI. I'll unhide the RSI as well. Just like TradingView, tap the indicator to edit. Customize length, smoothing, band values, even colors. Exactly जैसा आप चाहते हैं. These charts also feature drawing tools like Fibonacci retracements and trend lines. all lag free and loading instantly. Let's take a quick trade. Tap a strike, select call, and punch to buy. Now I'll open the Nifty spot and tap a strike and buy a put. Now for some trade management tips. नीचे positions पे tap करके check your active positions. You'll see LTP, PNL, average price, सब कुछ इस mini view में. That's your total PNL for the day. You can just swipe here to toggle between positions. The real magic is in these three dots. Tap for options like add, exit, protect, view all for comprehensive details of positions, orders and holdings. Individual positions निकाल सकते हैं या exit all से सब एक साथ. Order book भी check कर सकते हैं. Just tap here, modify price, cancel orders. Total control. When done, you can just tap the position icon to close the mini view. You decide what to see, one, both or none. अपना trading setup अपने हिसाब से design करो. The next order type is iceberg order. On any trading platform, you can only trade 24 lots of Nifty options in a single order due to the freeze quantity limit set by NSE. However, Punch eliminates the need to fill out multiple order forms. Simply enter your total lots, let's say 49, and Punch will auto-slice it into 3 orders for execution. To set a limit price for these 49 lots, just tap here, set the limit price, and punch. Finally, let me show you this jump to button. This is your shortcut to everything. Positions, orders, funds, profile, सब कुछ यहीं मिलेगा. Today I want to talk about 3 key features. Option chain gives you a full view of the entire chain. You can toggle here between price and OI, scroll for the full view. Up top you can create basket orders, toggle on, select strikes to trade, tap the checkbox to switch between buy and sell. See here I'm selecting 4 strikes, 2 buys and 2 sells. Review the basket, customize lot sizes if needed, and tap trade basket to execute. Dekho, all 4 legs executed and your strategy is live. Let's go back to jump to and check the option data. Now these are widgets for PCR, India VIX, OI, price changes, etc. And the best part is आप visualization change कर सकते हैं by tapping here. And finally your watch list. You can toggle between different watch lists, add as many scripts as you want. Just tap to add, search and save. We hope you enjoy the blinking effect on your watch list. So that's all about Punch. और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप भी पंच से जल्दी प्यार कर लेंगे. Thank you so much.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.